Ever pondered the simple yet intricate art of brewing coffee with a Keurig K-Mini coffee maker? This compact and stylish machine could be your ticket to a perfect cup of coffee every morning. Firstly, you start by making sure the coffee maker is in a safe and convenient location, preferably on a flat surface. The Keurig K-Mini is designed to fit anywhere with a width less than 5 inches. Secondly, you have to fill the water reservoir. The reservoir is located at the back of the machine and can be easily removed for cleaning or refilling. The K-Mini has a single cup reservoir, which means you only add enough water for each brew. This feature makes sure every cup you brew is fresh and not from stale water sitting in a tank. The next step is to choose your favorite K-Cup pod. The beauty of the Keurig coffee maker is the wide variety of flavors and brands it accommodates. From the classic French roast to the exotic Sumatran blend, there's a flavor for every palate. Once you have your K-Cup pod ready, lift the handle of the coffee maker to reveal the pod holder. Place your chosen K-Cup in the holder, then lower the handle. Make sure the handle is fully closed, as this punctures the pod, allowing water to flow through and extract the coffee. Now, it's time to choose your cup size. The K-Mini offers 2 brewing sizes, 6 ounces for a stronger cup or 12 ounces for a lighter brew. Just press the button corresponding to your preferred size and your coffee will begin brewing. And voila! In less than 2 minutes, your perfect cup of coffee is ready to be savored. Remember to remove the used K-Cup pod by lifting the handle and discarding it. To recap, the process of using the Keurig K-Mini coffee maker is as follows. 1. Place the coffee maker in a safe and convenient location. 2. Fill the water reservoir with the amount of water needed for your chosen cup size. 3. Choose your favorite K-Cup pod and place it in the pod holder. 1. Close the handle to puncture the pod. 5. Select your brewing size by pressing the corresponding button. 6. Wait for your coffee to brew, then enjoy. This easy 6-step process is a testament to the simplicity and efficiency of the Keurig K-Mini coffee maker. With this machine, a perfect cup of coffee is always within your reach. Now, isn't that a beautiful thought?